obviously tonight we've been in a bit of a drought. We need more goals. Jonas, why is that? He's obviously been sitting out as well, so he's desperate to get back playing. So at the moment we'll keep in the five and see how it goes. Obviously now it's guys who've got to work hard every night to show what they've got to offer.
I think he's been through a few clubs, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's been through two, and I think he's probably learned from not coming back. From being at home this year, and he's in the real world right now, and I don't think he's enjoying it. So hopefully he's going to come in and be a spark.
It seems a silly question. What's he going to add to your team? It's just the same as he used to bring it.
Well, exactly. He gets his goals. I mean, obviously we put him and Aaron back together, and then see where the other lines lie after that. But we need more goals. It's very simple.
And tonight must be really good for you to get that first one at home and in the fashion you can.
Yeah, obviously it's I thought the first period we weren't very good at all, and but a win's a win. It's a good character win, and I think the boys, I thought Yanni was outstanding tonight. His work rate was phenomenal. Obviously, Hards, Kenton and Yanni, I thought all deserved goals tonight. There's no work rate, so a win's a win.
A bit of a tough start with some travel issues before.
Yeah, absolutely. A couple of guys stuck in traffic on the way from Cardiff, which wasn't a perfect start, but we battled for it.
Do you think that had a part to play in the first sort of 10
Yeah, absolutely. Stevie obviously hadn't felt the puck until the first shot of the game, and because that one didn't go so well. So obviously that's a few issues as well.
What was the atmosphere like in the locker room? One you haven't felt at home?
Yeah, it was pretty good enough. We'll see. We've just, obviously got 2 games at the weekend, and we get back to league games. We've got to start getting better.